Okay, so there's some options with P6-Loader on how it works. So the first thing is I just want to emphasize P6-Loader will work on an on-premise solution. It will also work with a cloud solution. So if your P6 is up in the Oracle cloud or it's up in a cloud like LoadSpring or someone like that, no problem, we can work with it. In fact, we have a lot of clients already doing that in both situations. Um, but you can also have an on-prem solution of your Primavera and have P6-Loader in the cloud if you want to. So we've done that for a few clients as well, where we host P6-Loader for them. P6-Loader will work with the Primavera APIs, or it will work with Primavera Web Services. It works with both, and P6-Loader is Oracle Cloud certified. So if you are in the Oracle Cloud, don't worry, we're certified to work with your tool there. Now there's a lot of different things that you can use to get information in and out of Primavera. Now, there's a few of them are on the screen here, or I think I've covered all of them on the screen here. So really what we're concerned with is we want to be able to move global data in and out of Primavera. We want to be able to move security like OBS, EPS, users in and out. We want to make sure that our data, when it moves in and out, is being validated. We want to make sure that if something goes wrong, Oracle will support it. We want to be able to extract only certain information, not everything, and we want to be able to extract multiple project information. So P6-Loader does all of these things, and let me just talk about what I mean. So when I'm talking about global data, we can load calendars, we can load codes, we can load project codes, we can load notebooks, we can load risk items, we can load virtually anything into P6 using P6-Loader. Now, the only tool that does the same kind of thing is the old Primavera software development kit that would also let you load global data. Now, it won't let you load any of the new stuff like risks or anything like that, but it will let you load project codes and activity code dictionaries. The problem with the SDK is it bypasses P6 security. Anyone using the SDK must be an admin super user. There's another problem with it in that it's no longer supported by Oracle. Although people tell me it still works, it's not supported. So that's a big risk for you. The other thing that people will do is they'll manipulate XCR. So XCR is Primavera's native import-export format. The problem with this is, again, you can only load project information because the XCR was never intended to do anything more than move projects from one database to another. It bypasses all the P6 security, so whatever security rights you have, if you can import an XCR, you can import anything in that XCR. It does no data validation. So we've had many situations where clients have corrupted their database by manually manipulating an XCR and typing something incorrect. I'll give you an example. We had one where someone spelt the word global incorrectly on a global code definition, and it crashed the entire database. Oracle will not support you if you're manipulating XCRs. And you can't selectively extract using XCRs. The one redeeming thing about XCR tools is that you can extract multiple projects at the same time. Now lately Primavera has also come up with an XML import-export process, and that is a little bit better than the XCRs in that there is data validation on it, so Primavera actually does check the data. Oracle will support that. The problem you have is that it will only do, if you do multiple projects on it, as soon as you do multiple projects, all the remapping functions get turned off. So a lot of the functionality around XML only works when there's one project in that XML file. And then finally, there's a P6XL import that's built in, which does validate the data. It is supported by Oracle, and it does let you do selective extraction, but it only does one project at a time, and it doesn't allow you to create any cross-project links. And just like the XCRs, it's project-specific. It will not load global data for you. So P6-Loader is the only tool that covers all the bases.